Gonna rub? Gonna rub? Hello? Hello? Hello?
What's your name? Did you book it?
No, we're getting a call from Heathrow.
Sorry?
I got all at Heathrow. They said they would call for assistance.
Yeah, what's your name? Did you give a name?
Jeffrey Harvey. They didn't give it a...
What's your name, Jeffrey?
Jeffrey Harvey, but they didn't ask for the name.
Okay, somebody give it.
Thank you. Did you not get a call from Heathrow?
Heathrow.
Yeah.
You on the express one or the?
I got on this train at Heathrow.
Huh?
I got on this train at Heathrow,
Yeah.
and they said they would call ahead for assistance here.
Yeah.
There was no call?
No. I get the message now.
Just now. I'm already here. I've been here for 8 minutes.
They should actually. I get the message now, and I just jump up.
So they
They should be
They didn't
because
call before.
I need to find it out somehow. Because they call, and my colleague, as soon as my colleague get the information, he pass it to us, and we do it.
Yeah.
Sorry for the late, sir.
Yes.
If it is because I need to find out. Because this one, what is happening, there's very short notice.
MD is here now. I'm on number 3.
Yeah, Alpha Clint is sorted, I take the passenger gate off, that's fine.
Thank you.
Sorry for that, sir, yeah?
Okay.
Normally what has happened, sometimes as soon as we get the call, we try to do our best.
Yeah.